Good morning, friends. I am excited to make some yummy dip with you guys today. If you are just joining me from YouTube, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And if you aren't already in my Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah group, hop on over to Facebook and you can join me live each week and we will make something. Like today we are going to make...
Hi.
Oh, he's saying hi. Yes, you are. Today we are going to make a fuel pull chocolate dip, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys because it's full of protein. It's really yummy, especially if you like chocolate like me. So I did list the ingredients for you guys. If you want to follow along and make it with me, make sure you gather out the entire list of ingredients that I posted that was in the description. So go ahead and get those things and we'll get started here in just a second. I don't know if you guys saw it, but on my Instagram, Facebook stories, there was someone who shared about freezing avocados whole, like this. So, of course, you want to say hi?
Helper man.
You're the helper man. You are the helper man, aren't you? I got my helpers today.
Baby man.
Somebody had shared that they put avocados in the freezer like this, and that they were perfect when they wanted an avocado. They would just pull it out and thaw it. So I thought, well, we've already done the other avocado experiment. Okay, don't pull on her, all right, buddy? So I thought, hey, let's just I have 4 avocados. So I'm gonna show you all 4 of them. They even have the sticker still on them. Are these avocados? So I have 4 of them. I'm gonna put these in the freezer and we're gonna check one every single week like we did with the water method. And we learned last week that 4 weeks was too long. So I'm gonna stick these in the freezer. I'll do that when we're done. But I wanted you to know that we are going to be monitoring those 4 avocados. So, okay, good morning, friends. Good morning, Jennifer. Hi, Mallory. Hi, Dana, Lucinda, good to see you. Okay, so you're gonna need a bowl. This is so easy to come together, you guys. I have a mess here. Can you see what I got going? Okay. Do you want to take her? And then do you want to say hi? They can't see you.
Hi.
That's Lily. She's going to watch the baby for me. You going to be my helper man? Do you want to eat strawberries? He's thinking about it. All right, so we're going to start with creamy, dreamy plant protein. So the nice thing about this fuel pull is that it does have protein in it, and I love anything that has protein because what's the first question of a Trim Healthy Mama? Where is your protein? Okay, so we are going to do 2 tablespoons of creamy, dreamy plant protein. 2 tablespoons. So go ahead and do that. Did you let those avocados get ripe first? Yes, ma'am, I did. They are ripe, so that's why we're gonna put them in today. And then we'll check them 1 week, every week. For 4 weeks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. We got this. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of creamy dreamy. Then you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Yes, that's right, Denise. Where's your protein? You know, and you guys, cocoa powder, in my humble opinion, I think it matters what kind you use. I absolutely love this one. I get it at Costco. It's delicious. If you're buying like a cheap one from Walmart, I just can't guarantee the quality. So look for a good cocoa powder. It's worth it. It's worth it. And this, you guys, this bag was like $6. So just saying, and it's huge. This is 25 ounces. All right, then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter flour. So, good morning, Stacy. How are you today? So 2 of those. Then we will do 2.5 tablespoons of gentle sweet. Okay, here's a tip on this. It does, like right away when you taste it, it's kind of gritty. So if you cannot stand that, see, for me, it doesn't bug me. But if you're like, ugh, I can't do gritty, either put it in a grinder, a coffee grinder. So 2.5 tablespoons is what I'm putting in. Or I had Coach Linda give this a test run. She let her sit on the counter for 10 minutes and it kind of dissolved that. So if you don't need to eat it right away, you can just let it sit and give that a try too. So a couple options for you. All right, then we're gonna do 2 pinches of Himalayan salt. All right, so that's that. Then just a splash of vanilla, and if you are someone who needs to measure, do 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm gonna be careful. Don't put like 2 cups of vanilla, right? Then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of almond milk. And if you don't have almond milk and you just have cashew milk, that's totally fine. So whatever you have on hand. So there we go, 3 tablespoons of that. And I think this is it. Don't you love it? It's all in one bowl. I love anything in one bowl. So now you can either get a spoon or a fork and just mix this together. Nothing super fancy. Okay, so this, you guys, as you mix this together, this has 15 grams of protein. It has, and I hope you're like, wait a minute. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of Creamy Dreamy has 5 grams of protein. So there's also protein in peanut flour. So that's where the protein's coming from, is the peanut flour and also from the Creamy Dreamy. Then it has 2.25 grams of fat and 5 carbs. So this is definitely in fuel pull territory. All right, that's it. So can you guys see? Oh, this looks so good. You can use this as an icing. You could put it on waffles. You could put it on French toast. You could put it, doesn't that look amazing? You can put it on whatever you want. Pick your fruit. If you want it to stay fuel pull, then you're gonna want to pick either a fuel pull muffin, like the muffins from Trim Healthy Future. I'm just gonna put this in a ramekin so you guys can see how pretty it is. So you could do the mint muffins, but leave out the mint and then put this on top, yummy. Then it's like an icing. Or you can just get strawberries and dip your strawberries in this, and that's still fuel pull. You could also do, what's those peanut butter ones? The peanut butter ones from Trim Healthy Table, peanut butter, I forgot their name. But you could do those and then put this on top and have a chocolate peanut butter muffin with icing. So, so easy. All right, that's it. So, isn't that awesome? Are you guys making this with me? I hope you are. I hope you're trying it. I want to hear what you think. I do. So I have some strawberries here. I just grabbed some strawberries. So then, I mean, if you want to make it look pretty, I feel like I got to get a better plate for this. Let's see. Oh, of course. I have to grab a giant one. All my small plates are dirty, so normally I wouldn't put on this giant plate. But then you could plate this up and make it look pretty, right? So have some strawberries. You can have a cup of strawberries in your fuel pull. So something like that, and that's it. So this would be, you could totally have this for a snack. You could totally have this for a dessert. And especially if you're somebody who tends to go shy on protein in your meal, this is a great way to just boost a little protein in your meal. So this is, again, 15 grams of protein in here. So this is a great way to finish a snack or a meal. Okay. While I love chocolate peanut butter flavor, I get a bit tired of the combo. Could this be made without? Absolutely, you could make it without. I would probably, Jessica, though, I would probably bulk up the Creamy Dreamy or some other flour source, whether it's cocoa powder, and you could sub it that way. Okay, so yep, you can use whey. Oh yeah, you could totally also, if you don't have Creamy Dreamy, because I know not all of you do, I really wanted to keep this dairy-free. And so that's why I chose to use Creamy Dreamy. But if you have whey, you can sub that instead. You could use the flavored wheys too, but then you would want to reduce how much sweetener you have. So I hope that was helpful. Peanut butter chocolate cookie muffins. Yes. Yes, you should make those. That sounds good. All right, so I'm gonna taste test it because I got to. Oh, I can't. I gotta set it down. I'm gonna drop it. All right, can you guys see? That's a lot. I don't want to eat that big of a bite. I'll get it everywhere. I'm going to get it everywhere anyways. Okay. That's perfect. you have chocolate all over my mouth? No. My daughter, no, you don't. It's so good. I was looking for a Fuel Pool chocolate treat to have because I know how hard it is to find, like if you like chocolate as much as I do, I wanted to have something chocolatey, especially after an e-meal or after if you have a Fuel Pool day. This is a great way to finish your meals, finish your day, finish your treat without, you know, consuming so many calories from like regular chocolate. So, all right, well that is it. I think that's all I have for you guys this week. If you are if you're not in my Simply Cooking group, I hope you'll hop over to Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah on Facebook. Otherwise, if you're on YouTube, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And if you guys have any other questions on this, let me know what you think. But if you have any other questions, just put it in the comments. I'll be sure to answer your questions later. All right, have an awesome day, guys. It was fun hanging out with you. Bye-bye.